have robot followers. I told them I'm international, okay? And I have people all over the world follow me. Am I lying? Okay. So talk to me about you. What do you do? Could you
Actually,
chérie? Para mettre dans la blague comme ça, et pour vous demander l'amour, écoute du fait.
you're talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. But when I switch in Creole, it's nothing bad I'm saying. It's just I'm talking to people that don't speak English.
Okay.
Yeah, you could talk. Talk to my people. I have my people over here listening to you. Let me tell them in Creole everything about you right now. Guys, comme gen tiye de toujours penser c'est faux follow m'gen, demoiselle ça pas haïtienne. La vive Nigeria, son Nigérienne nié. Moi-même son moun, m'pas besoin qu'on nom, m'pas besoin qu'on nationalité ou de pour vous demande, moi prendre en live moi. So m'prend dans live moi là, les m'a parler créole avec, moi elle pas être comme zombie. Moi dit non ou pas qu'à peut-être pour zombie, elle me dit ou parler créole, il dit non, elle va parler créole. So son Nigérienne. Et moi comme ça, c'est celle moi comme ça, c'est celle moi fait comme ça. Et on connaît écrit nous les nous est blanc, blanc, nous est blanc yo. Yo parler, yo pas robot. Yo tande, yo pas robot. So kounya m'gon nous même j'avais nous. Kounya les nous el ba c'est ça nous va dire. Nous va dire full life, a vu don ti villain step nous.
Why is the guy?
Okay.
Why on the guy comment section smiling?
All
What
right.
did you say?
Now I was telling them you're not Haitian.
Otutu! Otutu! Billionaire!
Et Kikuji, les nèg yo est blanc sous page, mais yo toujours dit c'est faux. Comment? C'est robot. Pendant blanc yo parler.
I see you in life with Davido's sister.
Yo est noir kounya.
She is Davido's sister.
Et ben n'a fait noir parler avec yo parce que haïtien c'est tout le monde noir c'est haïtien pareil yo.
Where are you from in Lagos?
I'm an able girl boy based in Lagos. I stay at JAJA.
Okay, so you know Davido?
What'd you say?
You know Burna Boy?
Yeah, I know Burna Boy.
Yeah. You Burna Boy's sister?
No, I'm not Burna Boy's sister.
No. What is your talent? Do you sing?
No. I'm a stylist.
Même talent nous connaît yo brother, même talent nous connaît yo Kouji pas loin chéri, soit dit le camper font souke là gars.
Okay, so let stand up. Let us see how you look like.
Ou quand même vinn faire connaissance moi dit stand up. Alors stand up tap trop facile. Et Kouji, listen, this is a nice girl over here. She's the one that's gonna say what she gonna do. Listen, do you dance? I know every African girl dance.
No, I don't dance. No.
Azonto?
No.
Oh, so
No,
I don't dance.
Do you shake booty?
Come on, shake, buddy.
When I'm not in the club,
shake, buddy. Come on, shake,
Shake,
buddy.
African. Come on.
But I'm not in a club for me to do that.
You don't have
no clothes on to do that?
It's when I go to club, that's when I do that.
When you go to the club, that's when you dance? When you go to the club, that's when you dance?
Yeah, that's when I dance.
Do you travel, like you come to the US and stuff?
Not yet.
No, I'm not.
You want a visa?
I've only been to Ghana before, but no US.
Do you okay? If you were a dancer, he's a promoter. I could tell him to apply for a visa for you. Maybe you come dance in one of his parties and stuff.
When you shake, buddy.
I'm not even seeing the second guy's face. I'm not seeing his face. Where is his duck?
Okay, he's the promoter. His name is Kid KOZE. He booked Burna Boy. He booked Wizkid. He booked a lot of people. My fuck on George easy.
Okay. All right.
You better not Haitian.
So do you speak Otu?
Can you speak some
what do you say?
Nigerian, like Nigerian English, like, or the language?
Can you speak your dialect?
I speak my dialect.
How
Yeah,
do
I
you
do.
Can you speak your
say how you
dialect?
doing
Can
in
you
your
speak your
dialect?
dialect? Say something in your native
Do you
language.
speak Swahili?
What do you say?
Do you speak Swahili?
No, I speak only my language or a little bit
What
of
do you
Yoruba. Like I
Say
Yoruba?
I
understand
Do you
love
you.
speak
you.
Yoruba?
Say you love me in your language.
She speak Yoruba.
It's kind of funny. Is I like him. Okay, that is
I
it.
like him. Give me one, okay?
That what I just said is like you. You're looking good. You're looking good. Yeah.
All right, can you
You looking good?
say I like you, I wanna sleep with you, I wanna be with you. Say all three sentences in your language. I want you, I wanna sleep with you, I wanna live with you, I wanna be with you.
Residence. I want residence. I want a green
Okay.
card. How do you say I want a green card?
What do you think?
I want a green card to come to America.
You wanna do it?
A green card to come to America.
You?
No, you.
No, he
Say
said, can you
Oh.
say that in your language?
So I should say those things in your language or in my language.
yes.
Your
Say that
your
you
language.
want
We
to
wanna
come to
know if you
America.
will
Say that in your
Nigerian,
language.
if you're not faking it.
Okay. He or your own first? Who own am I saying first?
No, you. We want you to say that in your language, so we make sure you really Nigerian. You're not a fake Nigerian.
Okay. You said I should tell you I want to come to America, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Actually, go Odo Igbo.
Adugudu Mboibo.
I know you understand what I'm saying.
But say
Actually, bia obodo Igbo.
Say it again.
You don't even understand what I'm saying. Actually, bia obodo Igbo. And what you said I should tell you in Igbo language is each already name with him. Each of them na
with him.
each of
Donc, il
them na
devait qu'on TOPSON y problème avec him.
hein?
Lidi, iti originate with him. Ndi ki an te kon TOPSON de ke problème avec him.
Kote ba kon wite, me ma ise ba kon wite.
This is
Okay,
this is
we're gonna teach you. We're gonna teach you some words. Say sac passe.
sac passe.
Yeah, that means what's up.
Okay.
How do you say what's up in your language, in your dialect?
Is there any other Nigerian girl under the live? I'm gonna put you on the live. Any Nigerian girl under the live, I'm gonna add you on the live so we can make sure you guys, you know what I'm saying?
Jin,
Any
NSC.
Nigerian girl under the live, represent right now in the comments so I can, send me
Okay. To ask you how are you doing in my languages? Kedu ki Mary. Like that is how are you doing?
Kiduki Mary.
Kedu ki Mary. Yeah.
Kiduki Mary. Okay. How do you say?
Who is saying?
How do you say? Stand up? Stand up. How do you say stand up in your language?
Kunyoto. Or you say Puroto.
Unyoto?
Puroto or Kunyoto. Kunyoto is for Anambra, while Puroto is for Imo State. My mom is from Anambra. My dad is from Imo State.
No. How do you say stand up? Stand up.
Like I'm telling you, is of two ways. Is of two ways. Some people say Puroto. Some people say Kunyoto.
Unyoto akoda vie Tony Kapkaka, I know the Unyoto Tony Kokaka.
Africa. Vamos à l'Afrique, moi la mine la gagne là.
Vagabond dit faire camper pour moi pousser. Can you stand up?
No light. No light.
It's okay.
It don't matter. We see you. Just stand up. They see you because they take you short. They take you short.
Adler dit que le coup tu vas finir comprendre anglais.
What'd you say?
No, someone says maybe I don't understand what you're saying.
All right, hold on. I'm putting something down and stand up.
Can you stand up?
Yeah, sure. Let me put on something and stand up.
You don't have nothing on?
Yep. I'm putting on just panties. Sorry.
What you need dress? You're not going to church.
So, what do you have on?
Just panties.
Okay.
Okay, dude, that's good. That's good for
No, I can't. No.
What kind of panties you have? Grandma panties?
What?
Grandma panties? Grandma panties? Panties reach in your belly?
No.
Beautiful, sexy panties?
Yo, Susan, you must have fait TikTok.
Let me
Do you be doing TikTok music on Haitian music?
Let me see the panties that you have on.
No. How I do that?
No.
KOZE.
Oh, you just put the phone down, you do the stand up. That's it. Yeah.
Do you be doing TikTok on Haitian music?
What do you say?
Do you be doing TikTok video? Do you be doing TikTok videos on Haitian music?
I do videos on TikTok.
You do TikTok a lot, right?
Yeah.
Do you do TikTok with Haitian music too, right?
Come again, please.
Haitian.
Do you dance to music, to a particular music on your TikTok?
No.
Any music?
Haitian music. Do you do TikTok with Haiti music from Haiti?
No.
So what type of music?
One more question. Do you know any Haitian artists?
No.
You don't know no Haitian artists?
No.
Okay, somebody said you got a big butt.
Who said that?
Lensini said you got a big butt. He follow you on TikTok.
Michaela,
You have a big butt?
avec Davido encore. Osama Sama. Yeah. Osama Sama. If Sindadu me love, escota pues. Sindadu ndamu, se umlewe, e sacre, e untemre, e sacre damu, se umpe. Osama Sama. Et là, ça, David dit. Osama Sama.
Voyez des modes là pour ouais.
You don't know that's what Davido said? You don't know Davido?
No.
Eh ben Davido, Davido.
Boko.
Wait.
Davido. Boko. Ouais, sous de nous live là, et puis son haïtien qui est dans live là, et puis au moment des haïtiens, est-ce qu'on prend TOPSON, et puis haïtien t'a dit non, là qu'on est tout, on t'a plein, mais qu'on Nigérien